You got it. We're back in our favorite area, the slide, and it hasn't been leaking. And let me grab that. Getting ready to run it in and show you guys what we found. We figured it out. It was a simple issue, but if you didn't know about it, you would have could have spent a bunch of money having somebody look at this. So it should be set to do it. So I'm gonna run it in, and we shall see this happen, I hope. Whoops, wrong side. So run the slide in. And there it did it. Okay. All right. You saw this. It hit here first and kind of pushed it over, and it cocked the slide. So the slide's crooked right now. And let's go out and look at it outside real quick. So if you look here, the slide is gapped. Down here it's not even hardly sealing. So, and that happened underneath here is actually a gap. Look at that. So it's gapped. So that's where the water was getting in at.
I thought it was on the other side.
No, it's here. Because this side's nice and tight. Over here. Yeah, the water was coming in through here because this hit the it hit the
and then it ran to
the
your
cabinets.
side?
Well, gravity over that takes over.
Okay.
It hits the cabinets and the slide twisted.
Yeah.
Because right now I ran it in and it hit the cabinet and twisted the slide. So now I'll go in and correct it. So yeah, if you look, what happened, we added this mattress topper on here. It's a foam mattress topper, and then it hits this, and this pushed the slide over. So there's no extra space here at all, hardly. So it's pushing on the slide. So let me show you the correction. I'll run this out right quick. Okay, so when we are wanting to put the slide in, we go ahead and pull all this up and fold it back. Shove the mattress forward as far as it'll go, and then we run the slide in. Okay. So now you notice this side actually pushed up a little bit. So we'll go outside and take a peek, see. So now I got a good press on the seal, and underneath here, there's no air gap, and then the seal is nice and flush. I got some compression on the seal. So that was the problem. So when we added that. So what caused all that was when we added this big old thick foamy mattress topper, it ate up all our space, our little gap there. And I should have brought my light. Hold on. GoPro light on. Hey. All right. So now I got all this gap through here, and that pretty much fixed the problem. So now we just make sure when we run the slides in and out, this back slide, we fold back the bedding, and we're all set. I'm so glad that was an easy fix to find. Took a while to figure it out. No more dead rats. We find no more dead rats in here either. Had the cats in here, so the furry scurry didn't find any either. So, oh yeah, if you like the little light, check it out. I got the little GoPro light that goes on here, a handy little thing. Well, that fixed this, so thought y'all might like to see it. If you got slides leaking when they're closed, you might want to check to make sure you got nothing pressing on the slides when you close them that cause them to cock, because this one's it was getting a slight twist when it was closing. So I like this. Now I'm going to have to take the repair cost and take Pearl out for a good dinner. So I'm Jim, Pearl's outside, so we'll talk to y'all later. Give us a thumbs up if you liked our video, and please subscribe by clicking the circle with our pictures on it. Thank you.